Dear sir, please open this box. That is a very big donut. This is a Texan donut. Donuts from Texas Donuts. Very fresh things. What the?
So today there is a hurricane coming through Washington, D.C. And because of that, we're going to try to get indoors and go to the Air and Space Museum with the Smithsonian. And,
Hurricane?
Yeah, this is the parts of the hurricane that was coming to the East Coast. Yeah, it's very rainy and windy. We're going to be trying to join pretty much every other tourist that's here indoors. I guess we're not going to the Air and Space Museum today.
Nope. Did not know there were time entry passes.
Plan B.
Not bad.
No, you're good.
Me either.
It's just an adventure. One door closes, another one opens. Where's the door? Where's the open door? What open door can we go to?
It's the Library of Congress.
Yeah. So are you?
Initial observations?
It's gorgeous.
It's intense.
And I could stare at it all day.
It's actually Jefferson. Colonel Jeff. The president's book.
Jefferson, because it's apparently the Jefferson Library of Congress. That's what it says on the outside, at least.
Yeah.
All right, Jonathan, what are you going to try to find while we're here?
I need to find the president's secret book. And it's supposed to be up in like one of these, and you find a little button, you push it, and it comes down, according to the documentary National Treasure.
Yeah. Jonathan thinks he's Nicolas Cage today.
I can't do it.
He thinks he's Nicolas Cage every day. Next week we're escaping from Alcatraz.
Oh, yes. Can I be Sean Connery in that one?
No. I've not actually seen that one. Gyra made an observation. She wants to know why the ceiling, where is it?
Was Bacon a politician?
No, he was Sir Francis Bacon.
Of food.
Gyra wants to know why it says bacon up there. Because she thinks it's sticks of food.
This always is this preservation. It's under low light, low heat, but it is under oxygen. And if I were handwriting a Bible, I needed a place to anchor my elbow and not smear the ink. And so that's why the margin on the bottom is so large. If he had thought about it, and maybe he did, but if he had thought about it, he
This is insane. So right now we're in a recreation of Thomas Jefferson's library and looking at some of these old books, which I think it said some of these books are like the literal original.
All the green ones.
Yeah, and you think of the green ribbon are actually Thomas Jefferson's original books from his library, which is amazing. Looking at these books is beyond belief. The age of them and like the amount of history that's here, it's incredible. Absolutely incredible. So there are books here about the actual history of the American Revolution in the library of the guy who lived through it. Like of Washington, his contemporary. Here's some Bibles. Scott's Bible. Looks like a 5-volume set of Scott's Bible. 4-volume set of just the Holy Bible. Wonder what version this is. What translations would these be? I'm assuming this is Calvinism, Calvin Institution. Writings of John Calvin, I'm guessing.
Is this Peters and Job? I can't read it.
Peter's on Job.
Peters on Job.
Prophecies of Daniel.
This is insane.
Oh, yeah, the New Testament in Greek. Or Greek New Testament, but it's missing
Yeah.
from the collection here.
There's another one from the Vatican.
Oh, wow.
1653.
See if I can get an angle that sees it. Kind of. 1653. This whole shelf is like all law books.
Philosophy. Origins and philosophy of art. Right.
And then philosophy, it looks like. Reports. Oh, more law. Yeah.
Justice.
Laws of evidence.
Theological pamphlets.
Theological pamphlets. Practice cases.
Law of ejectments. Law of commons. Law. Wow.
Case books.
Case law. Wow. Laws of the United States. What is this?
On government.
Ecclesiastical.
Ecclesiastical law would be church law.
Foreign law.
And then he has like
Look, Sydney. The author.
Sydney undocumented.
The government of Australia.
1760. We weren't even.
I'm just kidding.
Old, say a bunch of French law books.
This guy liked his laws, apparently. Cook's Last Voyage. Cook's Last Voyage to the Pacific. All these geography books here, too. Jensen, how special do you think you need to be able to take your wedding photos in the Library of Congress?
It's
Apparently
public,
they're special
right?
enough.
Is this a public place?
Yeah.
It's a public place.
It's a government building. We own it.
Yeah.
Taxes.
The people own it, so they can take their pictures here. So that you can be anybody.
I don't think that's quite how that works, but okay.
Be anybody.
Jensen, overall impressions of the library?
Very beautiful.
It was gorgeous inside. Absolutely incredible.
The series. The moldings.
So, fun fact about that statue in particular, they asked me to model for it.
And then he said no, which is why they got that guy.
Well played. Well played.